Once upon a time, there lived a mouse, deer, and a jackal. One day, the mouse deer saw fruits on the other side of the river. Mouse deer wanted to cross the river. He wanted to eat the tasty fruits, but there are many crocodiles in the river. Mouse deer didn't want crocodile to eat him first. Then Mouse deer had an idea. He called out, "Hey, crocodile, the king wants to know the number of crocodiles in this river. You must line up from this side of the river to the other side." So all the crocodiles lined up in a row for the mouse deer to count them. The mouse deer jumped from one crocodile to another and count the number loudly. One, two, three, until the last crocodile. 10. Finally, the mouse deer reaches the other side of the river safely. The crocodile feels very angry because they cannot eat the mouse.
Very good.